How's it going, everyone? I'm in a beach in the Sahara somewhere. I've got a map from a local on my phone, but this is just fantastic. It's 30 kilometers of just riding on the beach, and you're allowed to do it. It's something else. Look at the dunes over here. It's spectacular. In the distance there's some horses coming up, but this is just a really hard packed sand that you can ride on. The bike's doing extremely well. I've got a new front tyre now as well, and they're very much sort of trail orientated. And they're doing absolutely awesome, but this is just absolutely stunning. Well, here the horses come. This is just something else. It truly is. I mean, horses on a beach, there's nobody else around, it's just sand dunes and tracks to follow. My, this is something. Wow. That is spectacular. Literally, like, come here. It's the cure. Surely an off-road bike riding along a beach in the middle of absolutely nowhere through the Sahara. It's wow. Well, everyone, I've made it off the beach. I'm just following the track back. But that was something. It's been pretty adventurous getting over this bit. The bars are just shaking, the tyres are moving side to side. But we're getting there. We are getting there. Alright, everyone, we're in the desert somewhere. I've checked my GPS and we're heading in towards the direction of Tantan. So, hopes are up now. It was looking a bit gloomy earlier. Really deep river crossings, getting stuck in the mud, but yeah, we're slowly twisting our way. You can only do about 20 miles an hour, but the bike's taking an absolute beating on this stuff. It's just such sharp rocks. I'm being really careful, but yeah, soon we should be in Tantan, so just gotta keep my head down and keep going. Alright, everyone, so I've run out of petrol for the last 5 kilometers on the bike. I've been pushing it. It was silly of me to set off this morning on 1 bar, but the guys here at this construction site have been very kind and have given me 2 litres of petrol, absolutely free. I asked them, you know, what do I owe you? It's like, nothing. Bon voyage. So yeah, just can't believe the generosity there. So let's fill this bad boy up, and the next petrol station's in 10 kilometers, but yeah, we're absolutely knackered on fuel. Thank God. The kindness of people here is just amazing. Welcome to the Bedouin camp in Western Sahara. See you, Jacob. It's been an absolutely lovely stay here. I rode over to that little mountain over there yesterday. It's just an off-road paradise here. You can stay in these little sort of huts, but of course I've decided to camp to keep the costs down. But basically it's about 4 kilometers off-road to get here from the main road. It's over near a town called Tar, I believe. And there's showers, which are salt water. And I met fellow traveller Jacob, who's on his Africa Twin, and he's ridden to Mali, to Bamako. And he's filming a little video as well, which is pretty awesome. So we've been sharing some stories, sharing border crossing sort of stories as well. So yeah, it's been great to get some knowledge of the journey I've got in front of me of Mauritania and Senegal and Mali. So it's great to share the stories as always. But yeah, we're off. We've got to ride about 4 kilometers down this off-road track, and then we'll be heading our way today down to Bojo, and then tomorrow on to Dakar. So yeah, that should be an interesting day to say the least. Let's get going and head towards the main road.
Good morning everyone, welcome to the Sahara Desert. I'm currently in Western Sahara, a few kilometers away from the Mauritanian border. In about 45 minutes time I'll be getting there when it opens at 9 o'clock and crossing over into no man's land in Mauritania. So basically you cross the Western Sahara border and there's about a 3 to 4 kilometer stretch where there's no road, it's just a track. If you deviate from the track you've got a bit of trouble, because the border is basically fortified by landmines. The track's completely safe, but yeah, there was a couple last year, or a couple of years back I believe, who strayed away from the track. Don't know why. And yeah, it happened. One of the landmines went off, so it's a little bit of a, sort of, you know, a little bit of a scary day, but it'll be fine. I'll follow the track, follow everyone else where they're going. A couple kilometres for what they call no man's land. And then, yeah, we're into Mauritania today. So, wow, beautiful sunrise today, as you can see in the distance. Border post is over that way. This has been my camp spot for the night in the middle of the desert. Tent, it was so windy last night, I had to basically strap it to the bike. I couldn't even put any poles in, tent pegs, because it was just so rocky. So, yeah, let's get going.